In the first step, the two semicircular formwork panels are positioned next to each other. The joint along the seam is then fastened using M16 by 50 bolts and nuts, ensuring that each half of the formwork is securely connected and ready for installation as a single integrated unit. After positioning the components, the vertical joints are secured with pins and wedges to form the complete circular column section. These connections are designed as male and female joints. First, the female section is positioned in place, and then the male section is inserted from top to bottom and tightened with hammer blows until a firm, secure, and play-free connection is achieved. Next, to increase structural rigidity and prevent the formwork from opening during concrete pouring, the tie bolts are passed through the designated holes in the formwork channels and tightened completely using the specified nuts to ensure full restraint. Once the assembly is complete and the formwork is positioned at the installation site, double braces, push-pull props, are installed. These braces are used to plumb and accurately adjust the vertical alignment of the column, ensuring that the formwork is correctly positioned and perfectly level. After the plumbing operation is completed and the formwork stability has been verified, the working platform is installed. This enables workers to stand safely and comfortably while carrying out the concrete pouring and concrete vibration operations efficiently. After all auxiliary components have been installed and the final inspection of all connections has been completed, the circular column formwork is ready for concrete pouring. Following the initial assembly, it is recommended that the formwork be opened and closed in two half-cylinder sections to facilitate easier stripping and reuse.